Welcome viewer. This video tutorial describes disable Windows Defender in Windows 11. Click Start, Settings, click Privacy and Security. Click Windows Security. Click Open Windows Security. Click Virus and Threat Protection. Click Manage Settings. Turn off real-time protection, turn off cloud-delivered protection, turn off automatic sample submission. Turn off tamper protection. Click Privacy Settings, click General. Turn off all general settings. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much.